Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we created a responsive multi-language online store from scratch and uploaded to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we'll look at the new version of the program 2021.2. I will compare this version with the previous one, 2021.1. In the Pro version of the program, you can now automatically create pages for each individual product. Here is such a page. We have gallery. We can add product to the cart. We have tabs. We have similar products from the same category, and we have reviews. So let's see. Here we can edit our product. Now this page look like this. Settings on the most of these tabs are the same like in the previous version. For example, images, properties, options, digital products, discount, and availability. But there are two new tabs: details and SEO. In detail tab, there is one important option. If you select none, the program will not create new page. If you select product page, then the program create new page and you can add some description. This is optional. Also, you can create tabs for description. You can insert images and other objects. If you select link, then you can add any action, include links. If you choose product page, you can set product page name, for example, Regina. Also, you can set title, meta title, and meta description. If you want, you can also add some keywords, but this is not necessary. There are some settings for the pages. Go to the map. Here is e-commerce product page. Edit it, and here are some settings. You can change the layout, for example, like this, and now it will be like this. Also, you can change the height of the gallery, high, and thumbnails high. You can switch on or switch off show product of the same category, and you can add share buttons. Also, you can show product comments from the website X5, Facebook, or Discourse. If you choose website X5, you can show only comments, only void, and comments and void. Also, if you choose website X5, you can change some styles, some settings, include capture, and change other options. Also, with website X5 command management system, you can manage commands for the products in admin panel, just on the site. In Pro version, it will be possible to change some setting at once for several products at the same time, something like batch processing. You can choose several products, edit them, and if you see active settings, for example price, weight, you can click Apply the changes of this tab to all selected products, and these settings will apply to all selected products. Not all properties can be applied to all products. but it's the huge step for this program. In Evo and Pro version of this program, the interface for adding posts were changed as well. It's look like product editing. In the next video, we'll talk about other useful objects and settings that will help you to work with the program.